Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add text badges in your Divi WordPress website. So Divi theme comes with various modules that lets you easily add text badges in your Divi WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website. Just you can add /wp-admin, then you can add your login details, and after that here we can install a new plugin. Just here we can type Divi, and here we will find all the plugins related to Divi WordPress theme. So the plugin name is Divi Supreme Modules. Just we can install this light variant, and this is 100% free. And after that, let's go back to the pages. Then here we can view this page on the front side. After that, let's enable Divi Visual Builder. Here you can see this is our design that comes with the Divi Visual Builder. Okay, now scroll down and here we can add a new section to add badge text. So let's add a new regular section. Then here we can select 6 columns. Then here we can add some simple text. Just I can add heading here. Then here I can select H4, H5. Then here I can add some text, for example, web design. Okay, now we can add this text also here. Okay, now if I want to add some text here with a badge, just here we can type badge text. So this is the module that comes with Divi Supreme Modules plugin. Just add here, and after that here we can add main text, that is web design, and it has a badge. So now just we can remove one column. Alright, here you can see this is the badge text, and also we can change placement location. So by default this is after. We can also add before. Then go to design tab, and here we can customize badge text. For example, if you want to change background color, you can easily change. And after that, this is the gap. Then typography options for the font family, font weight, font style, as well as badge text color. Then you can also add the border around the text, and here you can see box shadow and animation options. Then if you want to change text color for the main text, just you can go here. Then here you can see these are the typography options for the main text. After that, click your 3 dots, then save it. So in this way you can easily add text badges in your Divi WordPress website.